Hi besties, have you ever tasted pasta so creamy and rich? It feels like 7 stars restaurant on your plate. Stay with me, today we are making it happen in my kitchen. Welcome back my lovely besties to Nwodo food. Sometimes I think, what if I record every single thing I cook and turn it into a food series? Today's recipe is my irresistible coconut chicken pasta. Let's begin with our chicken because that's where the magic starts. I am seasoning it with curry powder, thyme, onions, black pepper, nutmeg, dry onions, salt, fresh onions, ginger, and of course 1 seasoning cube. Let that cook until it is juicy. Now into the pan gold coconut oil. Then after you allow it to heat up, you add your onions. When you add onions, allow the onions to release its flavor. Add your tomatoes, minced pepper, and you leave that to cook for about 2 minutes. You continue stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. Next, pour in the cream coconut milk, followed by the rich chicken stocks. This is where the kitchen starts smelling like a pure magic. Give it a quick taste and adjust your seasoning because besties, good food is all about balance. Now slip in the pasta and fried chicken. Let everything cook together so the pasta soak up all that coconut goodness. And finally, top it all off with fresh greens of your choice. A simple touch of that make this dish complete. And just like that, besties, our coconut chicken pasta is ready. If you enjoy cooking with me today, do not forget to subscribe, besties, because this is just the beginning of many more delicious adventures we will share together. See you in the next video.